Beer Champ Barbecues. Today, we're doing up ribs on the Char-Griller Gravity 980. Oh, hell yeah. We're rocking a few racks of beef ribs and one baby back rack. Simple. Kosher salt, black pepper. Oh, hell yeah. Let's get to it.
Hell yeah!
What are you guys doing? We're rocking some of this Monterey Bay 16 mesh black pepper with some basic Morton's kosher salt. That's it. We cleaned up the ribs. Beef ribs, we scored the membrane. The baby backs, we tore the membrane off. No trimmings. They all look pretty good. So hit them up with just that. And we got them going on at 250 degrees. Now I noticed with this Char-Griller, I got my internal probe in there. Also by Smartro. This guy rocks. The X50. That guy is a new gimmick, and it just slides in through, and it's about 50 degrees off the Char-Griller temp from the internal temp from the grill grate level. So if you're getting a Char-Griller 980, expect to be a little bit different than what you set your temp at. But other than that, the grill rocks. Solid. It's a beast. Check it out.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Oh, the smell up in here. Hell yeah. These guys, done. We're gonna pull them. Baby backs, another half hour. And that big ass rack of beefers. We're getting there. Probably the same thing, about 15-20 minutes. Into a pan. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut them all up individually and then separate the pork ones and bring them up to camp. Oh, hell yeah. But we will be taste testing one of these ribs. Oh, they smell amazing. Oh, hell yeah. Ooh. You hear that? The old thunderstorm. Look at that smoke ring.
I said give me
Perfect.
a hell yeah!
I mean, check the pork ribs out. I mean, damn. Ooh. Just simple. Salt and black pepper. God damn, that's delicious. That's so damn good. That's so damn good. So bottom line, these ribs, pork, beef, whatever, simple, salt, black pepper, at $250, $275, 3, 4, 5 hours, whatever you gotta do, amazing. The results are amazing, and you can add whatever sauce you want. This just perfect. Perfect. And the Char-Griller 980 Gravity. Oh, hell yeah. Easy to use. So simple. And, man, look at these ribs. These baby backs are amazing. You don't have to overcomplicate it. Make it simple. Make it easy. Make it delicious. And have fun doing it. Oh, hell yeah. That's the only way to do barbecue. Have fun. Enjoy it. And have all your family and friends eat it up. And you're going to see amazing things. You're going to have a damn good time. And pop the top. Cheers, folks. Look at the new shanty layout. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, I put in some work last night. This is all one night's worth, but it was till 4 a.m. New layout, new awesomeness. I love it up in here. And I got a new fan because it gets hot up in here. Yeah, so I got to actually redo some wire over there. But other than that, awesome, exciting. Happy 4th of July, folks. Cheers. I will catch you guys next week.
Give me a hell yeah!